Hello, my loves. This is the perfect meditation to make your specific person confess their love and propose a commitment overnight. This will help shift your thoughts to start seeing your specific person become the best version of themselves. Your specific person already knows with every part of their being that you are the one for them. So all you have to do is believe it now. Listen to this for at least 30 minutes for best results. Now let's begin. We are both happy and in love. They crave me. I am constantly on their mind. They have always been loyal and faithful to me. They have always wanted a serious relationship with me. They have already confessed their feelings for me. They are only attracted to me and have eyes for only me. They do anything in their power to be with me. They have deep and intense feelings for me. They always want to spend time with me. They are always having dreams about me. They want to make me happy. They are happiest when they are with me. They are madly in love with me. They have confessed their love for me in the most romantic way. They shower me with affection and love every day. They are a wonderful, perfect partner to me. I am the only one they love and adore. We complement each other well and are extremely compatible. We have a wonderful, fun, loving relationship full of happy surprises. We have strong chemistry and attraction towards each other that never fades. They are genuinely kind and sweet to me no matter what. They always love talking to me and have constant communication with me. They are extremely loyal to me and are constantly trying to pursue me. They are always showering me with love and affection. They are committed to only being exclusive with me. I am always the priority in our relationship. I am always secure and safe in our relationship. I am always respected, loved, and chosen by them. Type, I am always respected, loved, and chosen by them in the comments below to affirm. Listening to this overnight brings faster results. And don't focus on the 3D. Relax and let go of circumstances. Trust the power of your subconscious mind. Listen to this playlist every day and watch your mind reprogram itself to bring you the love that you want.